Hi guys, today we are unboxing yet another Recon Quartz wall clock. Today we are all about color, all about popping, all about making our wall spaces brighter. The clock that I'm about to unbox is 7951 model. It's a very colorful clock. It comes in different colors ranging from cream, brown, blue, pink, and green. So I'm going to show you what is available. It's a fast moving small clock. It is 26 centimeters diameter. So let us look at the box. That's how beautiful it is. If you want to know the color of the clock, this is where you get it, as well as the model number. As you can see, brown flower. It's a very colorful clock, very beautiful, especially for a child's bedroom or a school, a kindergarten. It is made in India. Those are the manufacturer's details. So let's go ahead and see what there is in stock of these beautiful clocks. The first one is cream with a golden rim around it. See how beautiful it is. That is copper color. Brown. Blue, which is ideal for a boy's bedroom. And finally we have the pink, the popping pink. Let's go ahead and see the back side. It has a battery as usual already attached. There is a plastic chip to prevent it from running out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do like, share. More pieces are coming. Thank you so much. Bye.